between me and you. I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in here and leave a little review about the glue. Okay, so I ordered the Boho Active Reloaded glue on Amazon, but I didn't get that one. Instead, I got the one for like sensitive skin, or the one that's like a light hold for people who have like dry skin and not oily skin. And that's so not me. That's so not what I was doing on my birthday. I so was outside drinking, turning up, twerking, having fun. And this wig started slipping towards the end of the birthday vlog while I'm outside with my friends and I got on a swimsuit or whatever. It started slipping after the twerk session. I'm in the car. I'm a little tipsy, I'm not gonna lie. I'm in the car, I see it slipping. I just ripped the wig off my head in front of all my friends. Like, everybody else had left, but all my friends was there, and I smooth ripped the wig off my head in front of everybody. Like, I was so ready to go. The weekend had me beat, and this wig glue had gave up on me. And then I went home, washed it, slapped the wig back on the same night. My friends came back over to see it, like to check on me, make sure I was good. They was like, "Girl, you did your hair like it's fine, like it's the." I put it back in the side part. It was fine, but no, I don't like this wig glue. That's what I really came on to say. I'm just rambling. But hey y'all, because I really wasn't even talking in this video because I'm really trying to crank out all this content, because my birthday show was June 16th and I was done making all the footage like June 19th, June 20th. So it's like, dang, it's actually like June 11th and I'm just now about to put the video out. But life's been a little crazy, but I'm back at it, being consistent, dropping more content. I was on a little roll and then life hit me. But I'm gonna get back up and start posting content regularly. So my bad that this is so late for anybody that cares. But we back on it. So see y'all. Just wanted to say that. Bye bye.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching. to not be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, one in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my Q's and P's, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting pissed off, think we need to have a son adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right.
That's the other thing I didn't like about this glue. It literally started turning white underneath my lace as I started like peeling back the baby hairs to do my baby hairs. And you can see it's white right there too. And I have never, ever had that problem with glue. Like I can't even remember the last time I used the glue and it did anything like that. Like that is so weird. I had to put so much makeup on it to get it back to my skin color. That's ridiculous. Like it wasn't just the fact that it didn't stay long, it also was like a weird like glue to work with. Like it wasn't giving the Erica J glue that I'm familiar with, or even the Ghost Bond, the Supreme Ghost Bond or something like that. But it wasn't giving. Like it wasn't giving at all compared to some of the glues that the girlies is selling out here that's almost waterproof, or actually waterproof, and it don't be turning colors. Like what? But yeah, anyway.
Yeah. Work, what's I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da 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 da. When you walk out, da 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please, baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 rolls and it'll save you. Riding on you. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I'll be sleeping. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
A claps. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
A claps.
window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, and these niggas counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs close, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep a skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Wonder why your girl always why your girl, yeah.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for staying in this long and watching the video, actually watching it to the end. If you did, if you just get to it, whatever, I look good. Period, I look good, like I said. Yeah, subscribe, comment, like, share, repost if you want to. Look at the baby hairs. The baby hairs is spinning. I did a little something different, but bye. See you in the next one. Peace.
Nigga like a Humble, who 100